Hi class, so I just wanted to go over MLA style. For those of you that have done APA style recently, I know APA is probably in your head and you might have forgotten all about MLA style. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you are in Times New Roman 12-point font. You will make the spacing double, okay? And then you'll enter your first and last name. So I'm just gonna go with Matthew Jones. Okay, next is the teacher name. So for you guys, that is Mrs. Shaver. There's no S on the end of my name. Uh, Third, you're going to put the class, which is British literature. Okay, and last, you're going to put the date. Now, I'm going to use the due date, which is going to be 28 April 2020. That's a week from today. Then you are going to have your title. And what I want you guys to do is I want you to title this satire essay, not to be taken seriously. Okay, that way if anybody ever gets a hold of this essay, they can't accuse you of being a bad person because you put in the title that it's not to be taken seriously. Then you are going to insert and you're going to go to page number, top of page, and in Word, it's the third one down. Okay, then you're going to type out your last name. If you're feeling really fancy, you can go back to home and make that Times New Roman 12-point font, okay? Then you double click to get out of it. And then of course you'll make it left aligned and you'll start your introduction right there, okay? For those of you that use Google Docs, it's mostly the same process. I'm gonna copy and paste this into Google Docs here. So you have a Google Doc, there's that. You would go to insert, you would go to page numbers, you would click that one, and then before the one, again, you put your last name, okay? If you are in Word Online, again, same basic steps. Spacing, I think you may have to go to, sometimes it's a dot, dot, dot. This is text alignment, yeah. To go through and make it double spaced, here, I'll scoot my screen over. So you see how there's this dot, dot, dot? So you would go to line spacing and you would go to 2. Okay, so if you're in Word Online, I just wanted to show you how to do that quickly. But as far as the page number goes, you would go to Insert, you would go to Page Number, you would click that one, and then you would type out your last name before that. Now, if you double click out of it, notice that it seems like it disappears. However, if you click on Header, it's still there. Okay, so if you're in Word Online using Microsoft 365, just know that you won't see it, but it's still there. And that is how you format your paper in MLA style. So email me if you have any questions, and I'll look forward to reading these satire essays. I hope you guys have fun with them.